what is successful in short form video. Yesterday, I was out showing some homes, and the listing agent was present. They said that the house across the street was like a famous house in Burbank, and it was a medieval looking kind of house. Witches would live there or something. Wow. I need to go back over there and get some really good video and talk about that house and do a little extra research on it. Things like that would be interesting, or like property tours of homes, even if it's not your listing and you get permission from the listing agent to tour a beautiful home and put that in. Everyone wants to see that, but break it in the short form content. It has some great community parks with some drone footage of that kind of stuff, and just sprinkling that out there. And then you can also do a long form on it where you're talking a little bit more, but take those little chunks and use that short form videos because they're really attracting lots of views. They're using all of those as clickbait for people. And that works on Instagram, YouTube, it works on TikTok, it works on so many of them. Is anyone posting short form videos right now?
I do what you're talking about. So like in the summer when I'm on the boat and stuff, I'll get a lot of nice footage and
Right.
I'll make a short TikTok and put whatever verbiage in that's going on or relevant at the time to it with the water and the boats and everything and the big houses in the background. I do that. I'm going to, once it gets a little warmer here, it's 20 degrees here, so I'm not going to do it right now. But when it gets warmer here, I am going to go tour all of our haunted houses here in Michigan. And if they let me video, I'll
Yeah.
talk about it and see if I can do a little walkthrough of all of our haunted ones or like our abandoned insane asylums and things like that.
Oh, that sounds great. Yeah. And
Uh,
do you have a YouTube channel, Carrie?
yes.
Yeah. So that's perfect for that kind of stuff, right?
You're not subscribed, Herb? Go subscribe to my YouTube channel.
I'm sure I am. I'm sure I'm subscribed already. There's a couple great little tools that I've seen mentioned before. I've been talking about Blink, the Blink app that I absolutely love. Big View, I understand, is a good one too. I'm hearing a lot of good things about captions, and I think that one's just for iOS, but also available on the web. And what that does, it puts captions on all your videos. Really cool. This app here, Captions, and it's captions.ai. They have an app for the iOS, and it does all kinds of great things. Just for fun, I uploaded, this is a video that I send out to anyone where it's like, hey, I'm going to send you my list of lenders. This goes with the email. And
Hi there, it's Herb Rim, and I want to tell you a little bit about the importance of lenders here today. Right
this just was uploaded. It took 30 seconds to do all this stuff. So basically,
now, when you're shopping for a house, or even if you're thinking about shopping for a house, talk to a lender, figure out about how much you
you
can
can
afford.
change
Simple questions, and the phone call
the
takes about
type,
15, 20 minutes at
and
the
then you can
most
export
to
it.
get you some sort of basic idea on what price range.
You can do
And
that
it,
on CapCut too.
yeah, you can do it on CapCut. Yeah, I think CapCut's a good option. This one also has this eye contact, some other things that you can do to make a short form really enticing. I see this a lot, and this is how to do it. It's where you're doing a social post, but you have something in the background. Maybe it's an article. You can do a quick screenshot of that article and then you talk about it. And this is
Right-hand
how to do
corner.
it in
And now swipe all the way over to the right until you see your magnifying glass. Then click on it, and now click on it again in the top right-hand corner and type in green screen. You can now choose to use any of the green screen effects here. They all do the same thing. Just select one and then tap on it to try it in the bottom corner. You'll see my entire background is now green. Now click Add Media and you can choose any photo or video from your camera roll and then click Add. We can now make ourselves bigger or smaller by using two fingers and pulling them in and out.
That's a neat way to make some real quick short form videos that you can post as reels and YouTube shorts. Just pull up like some article, do a screenshot of it, and then talk about it and have it in the background. Or maybe there might be, you can do videos with it too. So you can have that video running. Maybe it's a house walkthrough or something that you've done recently. but you're not in front of the camera, you can easily be on front of the camera on this and make it really short and simple. So, hey, new listing coming out. Maybe you just have a quick photo of it or something. So you can just do this and talk about it. Another great tool that I saw that came out just recently. I know a lot of people talking about this one, and it's called Loomly. What you can do with this one is you can pretty much schedule all your stuff, and it goes out to all the different platforms. So it makes it super easy to schedule all of this. Pricing's a little bit pricey, $32 a month, $64 a month, and it gets you a lot of things. That's one other thing to check out. And in terms of responding, this one keeps popping up that I hear about. Texts. I don't know if you heard about this one, but it pretty much takes all of those instant messages that you get from WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, your inbox, everything, puts it in one container so you don't miss anything. So it's take all of your stuff that comes in, and then it will go into one inbox where you see everything. So, and I think this one is, let's see, where is, I don't know. I don't know how much it costs, but I think it's pretty reasonable, or it's free. I'm not sure. But I hear a lot of people talking about this one. Haven't tried it yet. Any topics you guys think would be a good thing to get out there and do?
They want to know community things. They want to know what the rates are doing. They want to know about a bad deal that you had. They want to know what happened, why did it fall apart. They want to know about, is there mold growing everywhere when you go in home inspections? All of those are great short content.
I love it. I love it. And someone told me recently, and I'm starting to do this, it's pick an hour out of the day, like
That
3
was me,
o'clock,
Herb.
4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. And then whatever you're doing at that time, you just record something.
Yep, that was me telling you that.
Was that you doing it?
That was me.
I'm taking, see, yeah, I'm listening. I'm taking your advice, Carrie.
Good.
Yeah. So just
Yep,
like 3
even like
o'clock,
here we have snow and ice. So even if you get out the car to go show something and you fall and bust your ass, record it and tell about it because they love it.
they love
Especially if you hurt yourself, they find that comical.
it. I love it.
Yeah.
Good, good. Post something on shorts, a quick little video. Take a 15-minute or 15-second video and post it today. Thanks so much for joining.